black color, white color, gray color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, purple color, red color, is pink color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, light green color. Let's paint. Capital letter A, small letter A, pink color. Capital letter B, small letter B, yellow color. Capital letter C, small letter C, orange color. Capital letter D, small letter D, blue color. Capital letter E, small letter E, light green color. Capital letter F, small letter F, sky blue color. Capital letter G, small letter G, brown color. Capital letter H, small letter H, is pink color. Capital letter I, small letter I, red color. Capital letter J, small letter J, purple color. Capital letter K, small letter K, pink color. Capital letter L, small letter L, yellow color. Capital letter M, small letter M, orange color. Capital letter N, small letter N, blue color. Capital letter O, small letter O, light green color. Capital letter P, small letter P, sky blue color. Capital letter Q, small letter Q, brown color. Capital letter R, small letter R, is pink color. Capital letter S, small letter S, red color. Capital letter T, small letter T, purple color. Capital letter U, small letter U, pink color. Capital letter V, small letter V, yellow color. Capital letter W, small letter W, orange color. Capital letter X, small letter X, blue color. Capital letter Y, small letter Y, light green color. Capital letter Z, small letter Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U V W X Y Z.